Hello from my New Delhi restaurant in San Francisco. These are tasty bites of 40 simple wisdoms from my life journey in India, Hong Kong, and San Francisco. Since my last name is Dey, it's going to be freaking delicious. This is a nice one. The early birds gets the worm, right? But the second mouse gets the cheese. What does that mean? Right? It means you have to be observant. You have to know when not to take the risk and when to take the risk. And it's a timing of life. You have to get into a rhythm, and you always have to be ready. Share with me your experience. I want to learn from it. And I want to share it. So thank you. To download this tasty, simple wisdom, go to freakingdelicious.com. Namaste. See you again soon.